Hey, wealth builders, what's up? Ken and Vonnie, we are back again. I think it's been like 40 minutes maybe.
I may have made an hour
Yeah.
for our last stop.
But update on our trip, we are almost in Kansas. So if you caught our other video, our other live, you know that we are on our way back from honeymoon part 2. We went to the Denver, Colorado area, and we decided that along our route back home, which is a 2-day route, we're gonna stop at every time we stop for either gas or to use the restroom or to grab food. We're gonna answer a quick question from a new wholesaler or just a wholesaler in general. And we found another great question on Reddit. So we're gonna answer that question for you guys really quick right now, and then we're gonna get back on the road.
Yay. Okay, so it says, hello everyone. I'm looking for advice on how to get started in wholesale real estate. I work my W-2 job in the commercial real estate industry and thought that this would be a great side hustle that I could get started on as I begin my career. I have been listening lots of different resources, and it seems like a lot of people recommend coaching. Where can I find a good coach or online coaching site? So that's kind of two questions.
Yeah,
almost.
That's how I take it.
So
for the starting question, I think it was pretty much how do I get started. For this particular person, you're already started in the commercial real estate arena, so that means that you have some idea of how real estate works, how real estate transactions work. The best thing that I can say for you is to start now. It doesn't matter where you start or how you start. One thing you could do is get PropStream. PropStream will give you the ability to pull a list to get started on reaching out to homeowners, whether that be through text messages, calls, emails, whatever it is. But PropStream is a great tool. If you have access to the MLS, that's another great way that you can get started. Or you can simply do what we do on a regular basis, which is drive for dollars. We actually drove for dollars in the Colorado area. We drove around Aurora, however you say it. We drove around and we got some great properties.
If you're from that area, we apologize.
Yeah. We drove around. We got some great properties on our list from there. We drive everywhere we go for the most part, so we're always driving for dollars. So that's a good way to get started, is just to start anywhere.
Okay, so also something to add to that, they asked about. They said it would be a great side hustle. And the thing about this is this side hustle could easily turn into your main hustle. Okay.
That is true.
So it's our main hustle started off as, I guess we kind of
started off as
a side hustle, but we're definitely full time in it. So it is a great way to get some quick income, because you can literally get, your first deal tomorrow if you start it, essentially. So I know that they asked where could you find a coach or online coaching site. A great resource is kvwealthbuilders.com. We have not only our website, but as well as our
Facebook group. Yep.
Our group is a great place to go as well, KV Wealth Builders. And kvwealthbuilders.com, you'll be able to access a lot of information, whether it's terms that are used that you don't know what ARV is, for instance. You can go there and look it up. So I would definitely say recommending coaching and place to go. YouTube University is always great. Yep. As well as KV Wealth Builders. And again, we are looking to start a mentoring / coaching in the beginning of the year. If you guys are interested, again, let us know in the comments below and just say coaching, because we definitely want to see about getting it started. But again, we don't want to get started if y'all not needing it.
That's true.
Okay.
And when it comes down to that, again, the goal is to get started ASAP. You know what I mean? Don't waste time. So finding a coach, whether you find a coach or not, we're like Vonnie said, we're going to be offering all kinds of free information on the website, especially in this Facebook group. If you're finding this on YouTube or Reddit or something like that, you want to get into our Facebook group, because that's where we're going to be sharing the bulk of our information, the bulk of the resources on how to get started in real estate wholesale. You're going to find all of our videos here. You'll find some videos here that you may not find on YouTube because we go live on here. So you definitely want to do that. You definitely want to make sure that you're ready to get started, no matter what avenue you go, your coach is going to want you to get started, and they're going to want you to get started ASAP. So make sure that you're ready for that. And secondly, like she said, side hustle or main hustle, this is a very lucrative business, okay? We just got finished taking honeymoon part 2. We did a week in Florida prior to this last month. We did a week in Colorado this month. Next month we're gonna go to Florida again for the Christmas time. Yeah, and the only reason why we're gonna stop traveling right now is because you know, we're expecting here in March. So we're gonna kind of taper it out and hit the ground running hard in wholesaling for the next couple of months. So definitely you want to get started. We're coming up on the winter time. This is prime time to get started because a lot of your your wholesaling counterparts are going to take the holiday period off. Some people are not going to start back into January, so you want to get that head start on them, and you can already be reaching out to homeowners. Most homeowners are going to realize that they are in need during the holiday season. It's both cold and money is scarce, so this is the best time for you to get started.
All right, well, that was really it. So what we really want to let you guys know is kvwealthbuilders.com. Please visit the website and check out. You have free contracts on there. We've got some questionnaires coming, and we've got a lot of information that's going to be being uploaded over the next few days. So you definitely don't want to miss out on that. So definitely go to kvwealthbuilders.com and also join our group if you're not already in our group.
And give us a like. If you took some value from this video, give us a like, thumbs up, whatever it is, whatever platform you're watching this on. We like the engagement, and it lets us know that you're getting some value out of these videos.
All right, KV Wealth Builders, we'll see you on the next stop.